for the first time in 5 years, I have chaired this meeting. We are agreeing on the division of revenue as a matter of principle. So I hope this really sets the stage for how we engage into the future.
Indeed, counties can play a very big role in helping national government achieve these four key priorities. So we will be looking forward to fruitful discussions, and of course conditional grants for projects that we can actually help you deliver.